Inhales and exhales. No holding between the inhale and the exhale. You can switch between nasal or mouth breathing, whatever feels best for you. We're going to do the last 5 breaths so you can follow along with me. And after the last breath, you're going to hold on the exhale coming up now. Lay still. Try no thoughts, no movements. Just holding your breath, being completely still in this moment. If you strongly feel the urge to breathe, you can go ahead at any time, but do it through the nose and then hold that breath for 15 seconds, moving then into our regular fast-paced breathing. Only a few more seconds left, and together we're going to be taking a breath through our nose and holding for 15 seconds now. And we'll be returning to our fast-paced breathing in 3, 2, 1. Together in. Breathing at your own pace, remembering there's no holds between the inhale and the exhale. It's normal to feel like you have to yawn. It's normal to feel like you might be lightheaded. We are changing the chemistry in our body right now. And we're getting into the last 3 inhales. And remember, we're going to hold on the exhale now. You're doing great. Continue to hold. No thoughts, no movements. If you need to take a breath, make sure that you breathe through the nose and you hold that breath for 15 seconds before returning back to the fast breathing. In 10 seconds together, we will be taking a deep breath in. And 3, 2, 1. Breath in through our nose. And hold this for 15 seconds. And exhale, we'll start breathing together. Look at you go. You are changing the chemistry in your body. You are flooding your body with oxygen. And when we do the hold, that's when we shuttle that oxygen into our cells. We're not breathing it in and out. We're taking it in to every cell in our body. If you're feeling tingly, that's great. Nothing to be worried about. You are doing this. And getting ready for our last 3 breaths together. And remember, we are going to be holding when we exhale. In 2, 1, exhale and hold. No thoughts, no movements. Just know that you are supported with the earth around you and that you are safe in this moment. You are almost there. You can do anything. Always remembering, if you can't make it to 1.5 minutes, that's okay. You breathe in through your nose and hold it for 15 seconds when you are ready. And if you're still holding, this is great. Together, we're going to be taking our breath in through the nose in 2, 1, in. Hold this for 15 seconds. Again, shooting that energy to any part of the body that needs it. The repair happens through this moment. And exhale. Return to normal breathing. Whatever is comfortable for you, enjoy this moment for as long as you need.